Hello everyone, my name is MB. I love to chill out, listen to my music and call my family back home. Taking time out to share the latest gossip. Trouble is, with all the hustle and bustle these days, sometimes it's not so easy just to give someone a call. Too much noise flying around, you know. Still, it's pretty quiet now. Nice, eh? Time to relax for a moment. Need to call my cousin in India. Hi, Deepak, you okay, man?
Continue, Ambi. All I hear is rickshaw.
Wait a minute, cousin. Hold a sec. This is better, man. You know my phone can do that now. Cut out those annoying horns. I no need to shout no more. Cool stuff, not. You should ask these LifeVibes guys about horn removal.
Good stuff. I could use that here in India, cousin. Sorry, man. Would you be so kind as to pick up the phone, please?
Hear that? That's my phone. Friendly, right? Not annoying at all. See, it knows I'm talking to you, and there is no other sound, so it's ringing nice and quiet. But when I want to create some noise, my phone can deal with that too. Let's pump up the volume. Hit it, man. Relax, man. If someone's trying to call me now, my phone will deal with it. It's got this LifeVibes Ambient volume.
Hey, man, pick up the phone. Just calling.
See, what did I tell you? It knows we're enjoying some of that reggae beat, so it speaks up louder. Neat. Or what? So you like the reggae, man? How about some cinema? Me, I just love big action movies with their awesome surround soundtracks. Of course, you want that big cinema experience too, you know, where sounds everywhere around you. Let me show the concept of surround, going from left to left back behind you. Makes you feel like you're really inside the screen, man. Right back. And right. Almost there, man. Sound is everywhere, man. All around you. Great stuff. Okay, so you're saying to yourself, that's in the cinema, man? Yeah, sure. But I got it on my phone now. Wanna hear? You listening? I start the movie. Now I press the button for some of that cool LifeVibes magic. Now we're cooking. And that's not all. I can do some clever stuff with my music too. Hear that? Stereo, man. Lots of people got that. But I've got something better. Surround sound. Cinema sound. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna watch this here movie. Take a look around on our website, man. Loads of ambient solutions to be found. Don't forget to check out that LifeVibes media player as well. It plays all those internet movies and stuff.